Hello, my name is June Barakat, and in this video, I will further explain my engineering discipline, which is biomedical engineering. To start with, what is biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering is a field that combines both engineering and medicine to help enhance the healthcare industry by designing both medical equipment and artificial organs, and further create new administrative drugs. The Biomedical Engineering Society is a professional society that represents both biomedical engineering students and graduates. Now, the famous question is, can you join as a student? Yes, you can join as a student from your college. Joining this Biomedical Engineering Society has many benefits. The society can help you build your career, connections, and knowledge by offering access to many societies, meetings, and interest groups. University of Houston has a chapter for the Biomedical Engineering Society that is a leading society for biomedical engineering students. Now there's many requirements to enter or transfer to the biomedical engineering school. The requirements are a 3.25 GPA in all college level work, a 3.0 in calculus-based math, 3.0 in chemistry, biology, and calculus-based physics courses attempted, 3.0 in engineering courses attempted, and many more. And the most important part is calculus 1 and 2, general chemistry 1, and physics 1 as a transfer requirements. During the third or fourth year of your engineering degree plan, you will have to choose one of the three different tracks in biomedical engineering. The first one is bio-nanoscience track. Second is the neural, cognitive, and rehabilitation engineering track, and biomedical imaging track. There are several steps which are major to become a licensed biomedical engineer. The 4 steps are earning a bachelor degree, get an internship, and taking and passing the fundamentals of engineering exam, and 4 years of work in biomedical engineering related work. And the final step would be taking and also passing the principal and practice exam in biomedical engineering to become a licensed biomedical engineer. Due to this diverse field, biomedical engineering work environment is also diverse. To start with, you can work in hospitals, you can work in labs, universities, industries, and many more. Biomedical projects have changed the lives of patients in the last 50 years. Some of these projects are ultrasonic imaging, MRI, artificial kidneys, cardiac pacemaker, laser therapy, and many more. For example, artificial kidneys help patients with kidney failures to live longer and to live a healthy life. Many fields, including biomedical engineering, face many challenges, along with negative or positive ones to overcome it. One of the most important challenge would be incorporating non-biological materials with the human body, both externally or internally. For example, drug delivery to targeted sites of the body. Another example would be transplanted organs. Solving this problem would definitely increase the demand for biomedical engineering and help create a long-term solution for patients at a lower cost. All this would therefore would increase the human capital. As current students, our main concern is our future. Our future plays a main goal for our future plays a main factor in our studies. For instance, an expected 4% employment growth from 2018 to 2018. All this growth is due to the fact of the increasing medical needs, increasing demand for biomedical engineering, increasing technologies and medical equipment. And the median annual wage of biomedical engineering in 2018 was $88,550. In summary, we learned about the biomedical engineering as a major. But why did I choose biomedical engineering as my major and to be a biomedical engineering student? I chose biomedical engineering to help assist with the creation of medical equipment to revolutionize the medical industry and provide a better way for life for the people. As a college student, when I transfer to University of Houston, I will join the Biomedical Engineering Society. After choosing my desired track and graduating with my bachelor's degree, I will need to take 2 exams and finish a required number of working hours to become a certified biomedical engineer. Along your career, you're expected, and I'm expected as a biomedical engineer, to encounter many new projects and encounter many problems and failures. However, something for sure, as a biomedical engineer, after I graduate, I will earn an average of $88,550 yearly. Thank you. And this is my reference page.